morning, and I'm going to show off the products from all that dyeing last night. Gertie, will you get dressed, please? Go. 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 Anyway, so I've got 2 objects that are like usable objects, which are tote bags. And then these 3, they're right there in the red bag, sweetie. These 3 are my tests that I did.
What are you doing?
We're looking at, it's okay. We're looking at the stuff I dyed last night.
I like this one. It's my favorite.
That one's hot.
It's like a flower.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, anywho, I used a 3 kind. I used turmeric, I used beets, and I used the cabbage, the red cabbage with the baking soda. So that's what this is, the blue, and it turned out kind of a nice green with some weird little splotches that are actually pretty cool. This one here is the beets with the cabbage on the other end. All the shibori techniques, they didn't make as many white spots as they did in our experiments at school, but they still made some cool patterns. I found that I had to leave this stuff in the natural dye forever. Like this beet was in the natural dye for like, I don't know, a couple hours, like at least 2 hours. It just takes a lot longer than it does with the chemical dyes. So keep that in mind. Also important, these 3 experiments I obviously did not wash. So this is a lot like what we would do at school. And I haven't ironed them yet because they're not quite dry enough, but I will soon. However, the bags I needed to wash, and I've heard that you need to wash those because
Can you please put on my pants?
Daddy is going to put them on, okay? You have to wash them, otherwise the color kind of rubs off on you while you're wearing it. At least that's what I heard. So I washed this bag. This bag used to be this bright pink right here. And then this bag on this side, you can see the blue. It used to be really bright like that. So keeping in mind, when you wash them, a lot of that dye is going to come out. Maybe try not washing it. Maybe, I don't know, do some experiments first and wash it. But, you know, I think you're supposed to wash anything you're going to actually use. I will. You don't have to wait a minute. Making a video, baby. So, anywho, I still like it, though. It's still prettier than it was before I dyed it. And it's still visibly pink on one side and pale blue on the other. I only washed it in cold water, which is a little bit of soap. And I didn't dry it because these kind of bags are going to shrink a bunch. But this one, the what's it called? Turmeric, didn't change at all when I washed it. The turmeric dye was like perfect. It's definitely the best dye out of all of them. And this bag's kind of canvas. I don't know if that's why, but you can see the circles actually came out. I would definitely recommend the turmeric dye out of all of them. And you can see this one's turmeric right here too. And this one's the blue cabbage. Anyway, that's what happened. That's what turned out. And good luck. And please let me know if you have any questions.